For this video, we're taking a look at an introduction to the order of operations. And I know many of you have heard the saying that we always remember for order of operation, and that is, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That's kind of that little reminder of the order that says, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And I usually write those a little bit differently. I write it like I just did, going down, and I group M and D and A and S together because that always reminds me of something. In the top, I know that parentheses, they get done first, parentheses, and then I know that I need to do exponents. And then the next thing that I need to do is multiplication and division. Now, multiplication and division do not get done multiplication and then division. They get done together. So if I have more than one, I have to go left to right. And that's what this reminds me of when I write it this way, because M and D are done together. And the same thing goes lastly for addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction get done last, but they get done together. It's not addition and then subtraction. It's addition and subtraction together. And if you have more than one, it's left to right. So since this is an introduction, we don't have a whole lot going on. We have subtraction between the 35 and the 4, and we have multiplication between the 4 and the 5. So we've got subtraction and we've got multiplication. Our sequence here tells us that multiplication is done before the subtraction. So I'm not just going to go left to right and start off with 35 minus 4. Order of operations say that this is where I should really start. So multiplication and division gets done first. I'm just going to bring down everything else, 35 minus, now 4 times 5, that's where I want to start. And I can go ahead and do that. That's 20. So I've done the multiplication part. And now that I only have one operation left, the subtraction, there's only one thing for me to do, and that's the 35 minus the 20, which gives me 15. The reason order of operations is important is that if I had done these two things in the other order, if I had done the subtraction first and then the multiplication, I would get a completely different answer. And we can't have people getting completely different answers for the same question. So order of operations is kind of a gentleman's agreement as far as the order in which we're going to do things. And once we did the multiplication, we were only left with the subtraction.